Day 1. Exploring Old Town and historical sites. Wawel Castle. Start your day by visiting the iconic Wawel Castle, a symbol of Polish history and culture. Explore the castle's various chambers, including the state rooms and the royal private apartments. Lunch. At Rynek Główny, Main Market Square. Head to the heart of Krakow's Old Town for lunch at one of the many charming cafes or restaurants around the Main Market Square. Try some traditional Polish dishes. St. Mary's Basilica. After lunch, visit St. Mary's Basilica, located right on the Main Market Square. Climb the tower for a panoramic view of the city. Cloth Hall, Sukiennice. Explore the Cloth Hall, a historic marketplace in the center of the square. It's a great place to shop for souvenirs and local crafts. Evening. Kazimierz District. In the evening, head to the Kazimierz District, the historical Jewish quarter. Explore the narrow streets, discover the district's vibrant art scene, and have dinner at one of the local restaurants. Day 2. Cultural and historical immersion. Morning. Schindler's Factory. Start your day by visiting the Schindler's Factory Museum. This museum provides insights into Krakow's history during World War II and its connection to the events depicted in the movie, Schindler's List. Lunch. Kleparz Market. Enjoy a light lunch at the Kleparz Market, where you can find fresh produce, local delicacies, and snacks. Afternoon. Wieliczka Salt Mine. After lunch, take a short trip to the Wieliczka Salt Mine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the stunning underground chambers, salt sculptures, and learn about the history of the mine. Evening. Vistula Riverbank. Spend your evening relaxing along the Vistula Riverbank. You can take a leisurely walk, rent a bike, or simply enjoy the views. Traditional Polish dinner. End your day with a traditional Polish dinner at a restaurant offering local cuisine. Please note that this itinerary is just a suggestion and can be customized based on your interests and preferences. Also, make sure to check the opening hours and availability of attractions in advance, as they might change. Enjoy your time in Krakow.